Hello, I'm Rob Lindeman from the Lab New Zealand, and we're here to do another unboxing. Maybe this isn't quite so exciting as some of the things that we've done in the past, but we've just procured a number of HP Reverbs. So this is not the Omnicept. We'll get one or two of those later. But this we're using for our new mixed reality class that we're going to be offering, that we are offering now in semester 2. And so let's see what we got. So we have instruction manual. Read this first, which we won't read first. And it looks like it's nicely packaged. Comes in a nice cloth bag to protect it. And you can see front cameras, tracking cameras, interesting looking headphones. It's really nicely padded. It doesn't feel very cheap, so it's nicely padded. You can see it has lens protectors. It's not really blue, but the lens protectors are. And I actually really like the way the headset goes. So it seems to be really nice that you can put it on your face and then pull down. So it seems to be a good design so far. It feels also pretty substantial in the back, so definitely doesn't feel cheapy, which is very nice. And let's see what else we got. We have a little, probably pack with some wipey things and instructions. And then the controllers come in their own little cloth bags. So here's the left controller. Has X and Y buttons. This button feels a little odd, but we'll worry about that later. The second one, not odd, but a little not as much travel. There's A and B buttons, and then a couple other ones. You can see the tracking markers, or the lights, and it's used for inside-out tracking. Those are the controllers. And then let's see, there's another box of goodies in here. Let's see what's in here. Probably power and some things, I would think. Odds and ends. Seems to be a USB dongle. Some magic stuff in here, maybe. Rob's ripping the box, which is, that's just the way it is. Oh, batteries, yay. It comes with 4 batteries. That's good. HDMI cable, mini display port cable. Nice, it has a separate power brick and power cord with New Zealand plugs. That's very good. And an adapter that goes from DisplayPort to mini DisplayPort. So, yep, so this is the HP Reverb. And we're looking forward to doing, it's even got a nice cable holder back here. That's really nice as well. So we're looking forward to doing some fun things. And as always, why order 1 when you can order 4? So we have 4 of these for our mixed reality class, which just started in computer science here at University of Canterbury. So, yep, if this is something that's interesting to you, please come join us and do great stuff. See ya.